Have you ever deleted an important file by accident? Maybe you formatted the wrong USB drive, or your camera SD card suddenly became corrupt. Well, today I'm showing you one of the best free data recovery tools for Windows, Tenorshare 4D DIG. This software can recover lost, deleted, formatted, or even corrupt files from almost any storage device, and you can do it at home with zero technical skills. Let's get into it. 4D DIG is designed to help you recover data safely and easily on Windows. And when I say data, I mean all types: photos, videos, audio files, documents, archives, and even files from corrupt or raw drives. If Windows says this drive needs to be formatted, do not format it, because 4DDIG can scan that drive and recover your files. What makes 4DDIG really powerful is that it supports all major storage devices, internal and external hard drives, and SSD, USB, flash drives, SD and CF cards, digital cameras, action cameras, even older devices like MP3 players and camcorders. As long as your PC can detect the device, 4DDIG can scan it. To install it on Windows 10 or Windows 11, open your browser and go to the official Tenorshare website. Click Download for Windows, run the installer, and follow the simple steps. When you launch 4DDIG on Windows, the interface is clean, modern, and divided into three major sections. Data recovery, main section. This is the heart of the software. If you accidentally deleted something or lost files from a device, this is where you start. Inside this section, you'll see three key options. Hard drive. This scans your internal Windows drives, external HDDs and SSDs, USB flash drives, any storage device detected as a mounted drive. Perfect for recovering deleted files, lost partitions, or formatted drives. SD card recovery, designed specifically for cameras, drones, action cameras, smartphones, dash cams. It handles SD, micro SD, and CF cards. Great for photographers and videographers. Camera recovery. This mode focuses on recovering raw photos, video footage from digital cameras, files from memory cards that show corrupt or format required errors. Super helpful if a shoot goes wrong and you lose your footage. Specialized recovery. This section is for more advanced situations, things that normal recovery tools struggle with. Cloud drive recovery. This is one of the unique features of 4DDIG. It can recover files from Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, iCloud Drive. If a synced folder got overwritten or deleted, this feature helps restore cloud-based files. Crashed PC recovery. If your Windows won't boot, no problem. 4DDIG lets you create a bootable recovery USB boot. Your damaged PC from that USB scan the internal drive, recover your files before reinstalling Windows. This is a lifesaver. During Windows crashes, black screens, blue screens, or corrupted system files. Utility tools. These are bonus tools built into 4DIG that make it more than just a data recovery app. Inside this section, you'll find file repair. This feature repairs corrupted videos, photos, documents, audio files. If a video refuses to play or an image won't open, the file repair tool can often fix it. 4DDIG supports advanced repair for 4K/8K. Videos, broken camera footage, corrupted SD card files and damaged photos from phones and cameras. Toolbox. This is like an all-in-one recovery suite inside the app. In the toolbox, you'll find options for iPhone data recovery, recover data, even if your iPhone was factory reset, stopped responding, got stuck on the Apple logo, lost photos, messages, contacts, had WhatsApp data deleted, supports recovery from device iTunes, backup iCloud, backup Android data recovery, recover deleted files from Android devices, including photos, videos, messages, contacts, WhatsApp chats. Great for Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, Oppo, OnePlus, and more. WhatsApp data recovery, standalone tool. This is dedicated to recovering deleted WhatsApp chats, voice notes, images, videos, documents. Call history supports both Android WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, iOS WhatsApp. This is one of the most requested recovery features worldwide. To recover deleted files, simply select hard drive. Under Data Recovery, choose the drive where files were lost. Choose the type of files you want to recover and click on Scan selected file types. The scan will start, and let the scan complete. Once the scan completes, 4DDIG will show you all the files it found: photos, videos, documents, audio files, everything. You can click on any file to preview it before recovery. This is really helpful because you can confirm whether the file is still intact. Now, here is an important update: free version limitation. Previously, the free version of 4DDIG allowed you to recover up to 2 gigabytes of data for free, but this has changed. In the current version, the free plan only allows you to preview files, not recover them. You can see everything that is recoverable, but to actually restore those files, you'll need to purchase a license. This means you can fully scan your drive. You can check which files are recoverable. You can preview photos, videos, documents, etc., but you cannot save or export any files without upgrading. If the scan shows your important files are still recoverable, then unlocking the full version is what enables the actual recovery process. I now have the full version and am doing a rescan. The full version nicely arranges everything into categories like photos and documents. Now I have the full version. I can recover my audio files. To increase your chances of successful recovery, stop using the affected drive immediately. Don't install the software on the drive that lost data. Recover files to a different disk. Use Deep Scan if Quick Scan finds nothing. Preview files before saving them, and for damaged videos, try file repair after recovery. So that's why Tenorshare 4DDIG is one of the best free data recovery tools for Windows users. If you accidentally deleted files, formatted a drive, or your SD card just went crazy, this tool can save you. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what files you managed to recover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.